We experience a world of colors, sounds, textures, and smells. Our senses tell us this is the real world. But what if this is just a facade? What if our perception of reality is merely a construct, a convenient illusion? This is not a new question. Philosophers and scientists have grappled with this idea for centuries. The possibility that our reality is not what it seems has profound implications. It challenges our understanding of ourselves, our place in the cosmos, and the very nature of existence. Join us as we delve into this captivating exploration, questioning the familiar and embracing the unknown. Prepare to have your mind stretched and your perspectives challenged. The journey begins now. The idea that reality is an illusion is not new. Ancient cultures around the world have explored this concept through myths, stories, and philosophical treatises. From the dreamlike nature of existence in Hindu philosophy to the concept of Maya, the veil of illusion that obscures true reality, these ideas have resonated across time and cultures. In ancient Greece, Plato explored the illusory nature of reality in his famous Allegory of the Cave. Centuries later, René Descartes questioned the reliability of our senses with his method of radical doubt. These philosophical inquiries laid the groundwork for modern explorations into the nature of reality. Imagine being chained in a cave facing a blank wall. You've never known anything else. Behind you, a fire burns, casting shadows on the wall. You perceive these shadows as reality. This is the essence of Plato's Allegory of the Cave. Plato argued that our senses only show us shadows, mere representations of a higher reality. He believed that true knowledge comes not from sensory experience, but from reason and contemplation of abstract forms. While the cave analogy might seem simplistic, it raises profound questions. Are we trapped in a cave of our own making, limited by our senses and preconceptions? What would it mean to break free from the chains of illusion and perceive the world as it truly is? Centuries after Plato, René Descartes embarked on a quest for certainty. He realized that our senses can be deceived, and even our beliefs can be mistaken. To find a solid foundation for knowledge, he employed his famous method of doubt. Descartes systematically doubted everything, from the existence of the external world to the validity of his own thoughts. He arrived at his famous conclusion, cogito, ergo sum, I think therefore I am. This statement asserts the one undeniable truth, the existence of a thinking self. Descartes' radical doubt challenged the very foundations of knowledge and opened the door to new ways of thinking about reality. If our senses can deceive us and our beliefs can be wrong, how can we be sure of anything at all? Section 5. Eastern Echoes, Maya and the Illusion of Self. Eastern philosophies, particularly Hinduism and Buddhism, have long explored the concept of Maya, the veil of illusion that obscures true reality. Now, Maya is not about denying the existence of the physical world, but rather points to the illusory nature of our perceptions and attachments. In Buddhist thought, the concept of anatta, or no self, challenges our notion of a permanent, unchanging self. Buddhism posits that our sense of self is an illusion, a constantly changing aggregate of thoughts, feelings, and perceptions. These Eastern perspectives offer a different lens through which to view reality. They encourage us to question our assumptions about the nature of self, the permanence of the material world, and the true nature of our existence. Section 6. Quantum Quandaries. A new reality emerges. In the 20th century, the development of quantum mechanics revolutionized our understanding of the universe at its most fundamental level. Quantum mechanics revealed a reality that is inherently uncertain and probabilistic, challenging our classical intuitions about cause and effect. One of the most bizarre aspects of quantum mechanics is the observer effect. The act of observing a quantum system can influence its behavior, suggesting that consciousness might play a role in shaping reality. Quantum entanglement, another mind-boggling phenomenon, shows that particles can be linked across vast distances, defying our understanding of space and time. These discoveries have profound implications for our understanding of the nature of reality. Section 7. Are we living in a simulation? What if our reality is not just an illusion but a sophisticated simulation? This is the premise of the simulation hypothesis, a thought-provoking idea that has gained traction in recent years. Nick Bostrom, a philosopher at Oxford University, has argued that it is highly probable that we are living in a computer simulation created by a more advanced civilization. His argument hinges on the idea that if simulations are possible, then future civilizations will likely create them, and we are more likely to be simulated beings than the original creators. While the simulation hypothesis remains speculative, it raises fascinating questions about the nature of reality, the limits of knowledge, and the possibility that our universe is far stranger than we ever imagined. Interconnected and mysterious than we previously thought.